Lesson 4, Interpreting Graphs. So the graph shows the depth of water in a bathtub as a function of time. So we want to find out what is happening in each segment, which is each little section. So from 0 to A, our line's increasing, so our depth is increasing. So we're filling up the tub. And we fill it up to exactly 22 centimeters. So we fill the tub to 22 centimeters. And then I don't know what happens. You get in. And you stop filling it up from A to B. And then shortly after, I don't know, maybe you got in and found out it was too cold, so you had to add some more hot water because it was too cold. So you quickly fill up the tub until it gets to the height of 32 centimeters. Then from C to D, you stop for a long time. This is probably where you're doing the bathing, washing of the hair, and all the major crevices. So you stop for a while. Then D to E, it's going back down to 0, so you're draining the tub. In total, the bath took about 22 minutes, and you filled the tub to a maximum of 32 centimeters. Our independent variable is time, and our dependent variable is the depth. So that is how you describe a graph in words. For example 2, this graph represents bags of popcorn. So for A, we want to know which bag costs the most. So cost is on our up and down axis, our vertical axis, which is the y-axis. So our cost that is the highest is bag C, and it costs $7. The lowest mass is bag B, and it has a mass of 0.5 kg. Two bags that weigh the same are D and E, and they weigh 1.8 kilograms. We don't have two bags that cost the same. None of them line up. They all cost their own variable, so none of them are the same. And for E, we want to find the better buy between C and D. So the way that we're going to do this is you're going to find the unit rate. And then you can compare and see how much more expensive one is than the other. So for C, you're going to take your dollar amount, which is $7, divided by your weight, which is 1.6, and you should get $4.37 per kilogram. For bag D, it costs $5.50 for 1.8 kilograms. If you divide the top by the bottom, you should get $3.06 per kilogram. So this is the better deal economically. And we can see that there's quite the price difference between the two bags, more than $1. So that is how you compare using unit rates.